In this video we have a whole heap of fun. You see, Karl is good mates with a guy called Stefan who's German, and he runs a YouTube channel called Alloffroad. There's a link below, and he does some excellent technical four-wheel driving videos. Now, if you enjoy this content, I'd love you to hit that subscribe button. Hey,
I'm
Karl.
sorry, my name is Stefan. Hello together.
Hello, Stefan. Mate, tell us about your new Jeep.
Well, so the people that know me know I usually drive Tiny as my play truck, or my 105 with the 1HT FTE 5-speed automatic engine, which is a fantastic touring vehicle. Today I bring out the Jeep from a friend of mine, Karl, good German name. So the Jeep is fully engineered, 3.5-inch lift, 35-inch tires.
Okay.
456 diff.
Yeah.
Mito trail grapplers.
Very nice. And yeah, okay. And what sort of motor or any of that sort? Here's some of your sponsors.
With the 3.6 litre Pentastar engine. It's dual locked, of course. You've got a front air locker, a rear ear locker. Please check out my video on the ear locker. I will be changing that in the future because I do not feel it gives the instant response that I need in terms of the locker. Recently though, come around, I installed a Atlas 4-speed.
The 4-speed with the planetary.
Yeah, we'll move this. That's not mine, really.
Let's have a look inside there.
Oh, we will. So the Atlas gives me a 1-to-1, obviously, a 2-to-1, a 2.72-to-1, and a 5.44-to-1 ratio.
Yeah, that's just too cool. Too many levers.
Oh,
fantastic.
Yes. I worked out there's about 66 different gear combinations I can have.
Mate, that sounds awesome.
Yeah.
So tell us anything else about your Jeep here, mate.
Look, it's been set up by Nick Finn from Alloffroad, and he's done a fantastic job. The Fox adjustable shocks, which I change depending on the tracks that I'm in. On road, I obviously change it to a different setting to off-road. You've got, as you can see, the sway bar disconnect here. They're disconnected right now, and they just swap around and connect up to make the sway bars back in place. High steer.
Yep.
It's got underbody protection, side, front, rear.
Trying to see this Atlas under here.
Yeah, it's underneath, above that bash plate.
Oh, there it is. I'll get under the car. Fantastic.
Yeah, so the rear drive shaft is a custom drive shaft, a 1350 yoke. You've got 35-inch spline on the front. The rear being upgraded to chromoly to provide the extra strength for the additional drive that the ratios give.
Very good. So, well, mate, that's one sweet-looking Jeep. So, mate, we better go and play. Go and do some wheeling.
Agreed. Stay safe on the tracks. Check out my YouTube channel, Alloffroad.
Very good. All right, guys. See you later.